So in today's video I'm going to be comparing the Action 5 Pro, which I'm filming on right now, versus the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and I'm going to be comparing the low light capabilities of both cameras. Now on the Action 5 Pro it's called Super Night Mode, and on the Ace Pro 2 it's called Pure Video Mode. So today's sunset time is at 4:10, so 30 minutes after that I'm going to be in complete darkness. But I don't want it to be completely dark, I just need a low light setting, so I'll be waiting for the street lamps to come on like in previous videos. So before the street lamps come on, I'll just do a side-by-side comparison in normal filming mode. I've got both cameras recording, 4K 30, automatic mode as I've just said, in normal filming mode, so no Super Night Mode is activated yet. So this camera, what I'm looking at the moment, is the Ace Pro 2, and on my left here we've got the Action 5 Pro. Again, both cameras are in automatic mode, 4K 30, but it's just called Dewarp on the Ace Pro 2. And on the Action 5 Pro, we've got standard Dewarp. The difference with those two is, I'm going like this all the time. The difference between the standard Dewarp and the Dewarp is on the Ace Pro 2, which is just called Dewarp, it bows the edges slightly, but it's not really noticeable. And on the Action 5 Pro, it's just like a linear mode, where everything is really true and straight. So what's the footage look like here? Now the sun has set and I'm in normal filming mode. Again, no Super Night Mode or Pure Video Mode's been enabled yet. So again, this is the Ace Pro 2 on my right, and on my left we've got the Action 5 Pro. As I'm looking through both OLED screens here, I can see that it looks more saturated on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It looks a little softer on the Action 5 Pro. But again, let's put a side-by-side comparison up, and there you'll be able to decide for yourself. And now I've got both cameras facing forward. The one on my right is the Ace 2, and the one on my left is the Action 5 Pro. Now again, I'll put a side-by-side comparison up to see the difference there. Again, with the Ace Pro 2 and the Action 5 Pro, I'm filming in normal video mode. The Super Night Mode on the Action 5 Pro and the Pure Video Mode on the Ace Pro 2 are both deactivated. But now I can see some street lamps coming on. So let's get to the street lighting in low light conditions and really compare both of these with the Pure Video Mode activated on the Ace Pro 2 and the Super Night Mode with the Action 5 Pro. So this path I'm walking down right now is in quite a low light setting. So all low light settings are deactivated. Now let's just put a side by side up with them both activated. Again, it's called Pure Video Mode with the Ace 2 Pro and Super Night Mode with the Action 5 Pro. Right, as you can see, the street lamps have come on. I'm still waiting for a couple more there, but you know what, let's just get on with this testing because, well, they might not work for one, and it is getting quite dark now, so I'm going to run out of time. Right now, this is where it should get interesting, because the Pure Video Mode on the Ace Pro 2 is now activated. And now I've got the Super Night Mode enabled on the Action 5 Pro. Again, all automatic settings, 4K 30, standard Dewarp, standard Dewarp. I'm going to get confusing this on these videos, isn't it? So what's that footage look like when I put the side-by-side comparison up with the Pure Video Mode and the Super Night Mode? And now on the Ace Pro 2, the Pure Video Mode is activated. And now this is the Action 5 Pro with the Super Night Mode enabled. So let's chuck a side-by-side comparison up just to see if there's any difference there in the clarity and detail. Here we go. So that was just a short video today comparing the low light modes with the Action 5 Pro and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And at the moment I'm filming with the Ace Pro 2 with that Pure Video Mode enabled. So what does that look like? Both cameras on the latest firmware, so there's going to be no excuse there from Insta360 company or DJI on the low light modes. Because with the DJI we've had several updates, and each time the super night mode, to be fair, does get better. But I've only just got the Ace Pro 2 last week, so I don't know what the previous versions of the pure video mode looks like. But any more updates with this Ace Pro 2 and the Action 5 Pro, I'll be straight on it and comparing the finer details. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and it's given you a great insight of the low light capabilities on both the Action 5 Pro and the Ace Pro 2. In my opinion, the Ace Pro 2 and the Action 5 Pro are the best action cameras on the market to date. Now I know they've got the GoPro range, we're on GoPro 13 now, but the low light capabilities of that are absolutely terrible, to be fair. I've seen plenty of YouTube videos boasting how bad that really is. So for me, the Action 5 Pro and the Ace 2 Pro are the ones to go for. Now do stay tuned to the channel, because I'm going to be posting plenty more videos with the Ace Pro 2 versus the Action 5 Pro, and that's going to help you out to decide which camera's for you. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel, plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.